Hello students, in this video we are going to see about types of read-only memory. Already we know what is memory, what are the types of memory and what are the characteristics of memory. What is memory? The computer memory is any physical device. It is capable of storing information, maybe temporarily or permanently. The memory devices utilize integrated circuits and it are used by operating systems, software and hardware. What are the types of memory? The computer memory is of two basic types. There are primary memory and secondary memory. The primary memory includes random access memory and read-only memory. The secondary memory includes we use hard drive, CD and DVD, other external memories. This picture shows the classification of internal memory. The internal memory is also called as the primary memory. Here what is read-only memory? As the name says, read-only memory is the memory. It performs the read operation only. It does not have any write capability. This read-only memory implies that the binary information stored in a read-only memory is made up permanent during the hardware production of the unit. It cannot be altered by writing different words in it. A read-only memory contains a permanent pattern of data that cannot be changed. A read-only memory is a non-volatile memory in which there is no power sources needed to maintain a bit values in memory. The read-only memory always retains its data and it's used in embedded systems or where the programming needs no change. Also, the read-only memory is used in calculators and peripheral devices. Different types of read-only memory. The read-only memory may be programmed into three different ways, that are programmable read-only memory, that is PROM, erasable programmable read-only memory, EPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, EEPROM. What is programmable read-only memory? This programmable read-only memory can be programmed by user. Once programmed, the data and the instruction in it cannot be changed. The programmable read-only memory is used only when small number of read-only memories with a particular memory content is needed. This programmable read-only memory is non-volatile, where writing process is performed electrically and may be performed by a supplier or customer at a time or later than the original chip's fabrication. The difference between programmable read-only memory and the read-only memory is that programmable read-only memory is manufactured as a blank memory, while the read-only memory is programmed during the manufacturing process. What is erasable programmable read-only memory? The name says erasable. We already know programmable read-only memory. Once programmed, it can be reused or reprogrammed. But here, this type of read-only memories can be reprogrammed To reprogram it, erase all the previous data. To erase the data, use ultraviolet light. After we once reprogrammed, the fixed pattern is permanent and cannot be altered. Once a bit pattern has been established, the unit must be discarded if the bit pattern is to be changed. The next type of read-only memory is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. We already know what is programmable, what is erasable and programmable. Here the name says electrically. In electrically erasable programmable read-only memory is data can be erased by applying electric field. Here to erase the data, we are applying the electric field. Here we are not using the ultraviolet ray. Here we can erase only portion of the chip. Before erasable programmable read-only memory, we erase all the data in the chip. But in this type, we can erase only portion of the data. This can be erased and reprogrammed about 1000 times. Both erasing and programming take about 4 to 10 milliseconds. For each time we are reprogram and erase the data, the time needed to that is 4 to 10 milliseconds. In the electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, the users can selectively erase and program any location. We can erase any location data. It can be erased one byte at a time instead of being erased the entire chip. Therefore, the process of reprogramming can be flexible but slow in this. So, this is the So we studied what are the types of read-only memory and what are the techniques are used to write and erase the data in read-only memory. Thank you.